In this video we're going to take a look at the RhinoScript function AddCurve. So first let's import the RhinoScript syntax as rs and look at AddCurve. Now when we open parentheses we see there's some help down at the bottom, points and degree, where the default is 3. We can see that points is a list of points, and that degree is a number and it's optional. Now degree actually represents how curved it is. The default value is 3. When you go lower you get more straight curves, so a 1 is actually linear, it's like a straight line or a polyline. A 2 is a little bit curved like a parabolic, a 3 is cubic, and you can actually go up to 9, 10, or 11 or so, but typically the people stay around 3 as the default, and that usually works well. If you need it to be sharper, then you can increase that degree. Now, curve takes in points, and points is a list of points. Now remember, we can create a point, and this takes in by using add point x, y, or z, or actually just a point, because point is a list. Now when we use add point, it actually creates geometry in Rhino. But we don't need that geometry in Rhino in order to add curve. We only need the points themselves. So remember, a point is something like x, y, and z, right? And so actually we don't need the Rhino point, we only need this. We need a list of these. So let's say for t, because usually when you're doing curves and parametric curves you use the value t, kind of represents time, and it's a holdover from physics. In, let's say there's 100 of them, alright, and colon, bring it in, and we're going to need something to put our points in. So let's say something like my points, make it an empty list, my points dot append, right? And then we're going to put in a point, something like 1, 2, 3, but instead we're going to put in values for x, y, and z. So x, let's be t, and for y, let's put sign. So let's import math.sign t, and for z, let's put 0. Then that's going to create a list of a list, and then we're going to go to add curve and just put in my points. When we hit play, it creates a curve, right? That curve there.